Hey guys, how's it going? I'm GSphere, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Twitch emotes on your channel as an affiliate or a partner showing up on your Discord personal server. If y'all enjoy the content, if y'all enjoy the vibe, consider hitting that subscribe button. Consider hitting that ding ding notification. It helps out a massive amount. Enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments if it helped you out at all. Hey guys, so if you're here, you're checking and trying to find out how to get your Twitch emotes from your Twitch channel onto your Discord server. So it's very simple. It's literally going to take about a minute to do. So I have my Discord up right here. Also, a little shameless plug. If you need any designs and overlays made, we have quite a few free ones to use in the Discord. But anyway, I digress. So this right here is my save point Discord. What we're going to do to get our Twitch emotes onto our Discord, we're going to go to the server settings right here. And all we're going to have to go and do is the integrations. It's going to bring up the Twitch right here. You're just going to manage that, and you're going to add your personal Twitch name on here, and it's going to verify it, and boom. After that, you're going to have your Twitch emotes. So one of mine is GSphere love, and boom, I can just type that in there, and that is my Twitch emote. Now this is only going to work if you have it in your user settings where you have your connections right here, and you'll just have to connect your Twitch account to your Discord account, and boom, you now also have any Discord that has this setting activated. You will have that, and you'll have all of their emotes as long as their settings are set like that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out, and if you are a first-time viewer and you like the vibe of this stream, if this helped you out, consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps out a ton. So guys, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.